Hi, I'm Skylar. On the Mac, you have built-in screen recording capability, and this could be used to record a session from Google Chat or even a Hangout. It might dramatically reduce the video performance, though, so something to be aware of. I'll show you how to do it. All right, so here I am in Chrome, and I'm going to go into a Google Hangout with Zach. Okay, now you want to open up QuickTime Player. You'll see that I'm already making a screen recording, so I won't be able to do this exactly right, but I've got some screenshots to show you. So click File and go down to Screen Recording. You'll see a dialog pop up that looks like this, and then you'll be able to click the screen in order to capture everything, and it'll start recording right away. And it will give you the opportunity to save the file. You can put it anywhere you want, and you can compress it to a different size if you want. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.